understanding basic terms in shipbuilding: gross tonnage, net tonnage, displacement, deadweight, and lightship. Shipbuilding, a crucial aspect of maritime engineering, involves not only the physical construction of vessels, but also a deep understanding of various measurement terms that define a ship's size, capacity, and performance. Among the most fundamental of these terms are gross tonnage, net tonnage, displacement, deadweight, and lightship weight. Each term serves a unique purpose in ship design, regulation, and operation. This video will explain these terms in detail to provide a foundational understanding for anyone interested in shipbuilding or maritime transport. 1. Gross tonnage. Gross tonnage is a measure of the total internal volume of a ship. Contrary to what the word tonnage might suggest, gross tonnage is not a measure of weight but of space. It is calculated based on a complex formula that takes into account the ship's enclosed spaces. The International Convention on Tonnage Measurement of Ships, 1969, defines it with the following formula: GT equals K multiplied V, where V is the volume of all enclosed spaces in cubic meters, and K is a coefficient based on the ship's volume. Gross tonnage is used for regulatory and administrative purposes, such as determining harbor dues, manning rules, and safety regulations. It reflects the overall size of the ship, but not its cargo carrying capacity. 2. Net tonnage. Net tonnage is derived from gross tonnage but represents the volume of the cargo spaces of a ship. It is also a dimensionless index used to indicate a ship's earning potential. Net tonnage excludes spaces not used for cargo, such as crew quarters, machinery spaces, and navigation areas. Like gross tonnage, net tonnage is calculated using a formula established by the 1969 Tonnage Convention. It plays an important role in port fees, canal dues such as those for the Panama or Suez Canals, and regulatory compliance. 3. Displacement. Displacement refers to the weight of water displaced by a ship when it is afloat, according to Archimedes' principle. This displacement is equal to the actual weight of the ship at any given time, including everything on board: cargo, fuel, crew, equipment, and the hull itself. Displacement is usually measured in metric tons. There are two common types. Light displacement, the ship's weight without cargo, fuel, or stores. Loaded displacement, the ship's weight when fully loaded. Displacement is critical in naval architecture, as it affects the vessel's draft, stability, and buoyancy. 4. Deadweight. Deadweight is the difference between a ship's loaded displacement and its light displacement. It measures the total weight the ship can safely carry, including cargo, fuel, ballast water, crew, and provisions. DWT equals loaded displacement minus lightship weight. Deadweight is a key indicator of a ship's cargo carrying capacity and is typically used in commercial shipping to describe the vessel's potential earnings. A higher DWT indicates a higher carrying capacity, making it an essential figure in logistics and freight planning. 5. Lightship or lightweight. Lightship weight, also known as lightweight, is the weight of the ship without any cargo, fuel, ballast water, provisions, passengers, or crew. It includes the weight of the hull, machinery, and permanent equipment. Lightship weight is vital for calculating deadweight and displacement. It is also important during ship design and stability testing, as it serves as the baseline from which other loading conditions are evaluated. Conclusion: in the complex world of shipbuilding and marine transport, understanding key measurement terms like gross tonnage, net tonnage, displacement, deadweight, and lightship is essential. These terms help naval architects design safer, more efficient ships and assist operators in managing cargo, complying with international regulations, and calculating operational costs. Whether for port dues, load line compliance, or performance optimization, these basic terms form the language of maritime engineering and commercial shipping. Thanks for watching this video.